Hi, it's Dr. Tracy with our 2-Minute Tuesday, and we're going to continue our conversation about the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list. So tomatoes are up next. Tomatoes should always be purchased organic because when the pesticides are applied, they're incorporated into the flesh of the tomato and it can't be washed off or peeled off. Now, it's a great time to buy tomatoes because they are juicy, ripe, and in season. And it's best to consume produce when it's in season because that's when the nutrients are the highest. Now, tomatoes are chock full of vitamins A and vitamin C, and also a great source of potassium. But their magic bullet is this compound called lycopene, which is a potent antioxidant. Now, lycopene first hit the news in 1995 when a large Harvard study of 48,000 men showed that lycopene reduced the risk of prostate cancer. Studies have also shown that lycopene can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. So the lycopene content is a little bit higher when the tomatoes are cooked, and pretty much lycopene is really only found in tomatoes. Again, it's their magic bullet. So pop out to your local farmer's market and stock up today. We've included a great recipe for Mediterranean chicken to try. All right, that's it for now. We'll see you next week. Bye.